Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a Project Life process video from my Disney album, and today I am documenting some pages from Magic Kingdom, and I am using a kit. The base of the kit was a kit that Danny from Pop Fizz Paper made for me, and I loved it so much that I added more things to it that I miraculously found at Tuesday morning. So I added those to this kit, and I kept the kit in a little box. That way I could use it over and over because I thought it would go really well with my Disney album, and I really need to finish this thing. I actually have quite a few pages left, but I'm giving it my best. For the card that I'm going to use as my title card, I use paper from the 6x6 pad, and the other card that's gonna hold the journaling is a paper that Danny sent in the kit and printed for me, and I love that pattern. And I thought about adding another card, but I figured that I would use that extra space as a shaker pocket. That kit probably is gonna have so many shaker pockets, but I don't mind. But I did want to wait until the end in case that I needed to journal or add something else. So this is the picture that I took when we were about to go in. And I'm adding a little heart that I cut with my Lawn Fawn heart dies. And since it's kind of a tricky texture, the back is like fabric because it's leather or faux leather. And I use a Tombow Extreme adhesive, which is the best one for these kind of strange surfaces. Danny sent me like a little booklet of stickers that she kind of like organized them really well and then put washi tape together. It turned out really cool. And I'm going to use something that says, "Make your dreams come true." And I was looking for something extra to add, but I just figured that I would leave it like that. I would add some staples, and then I'm going to use these stamps from Everyday Explorer that say, oh my god, I forgot what it said. It says "Today's Adventure." So I love these stamps. They are so perfect. They work for everything. I'm going to link them below. They have a few of those. I also have a holiday version, and they release like kind of like About Me stamp set, and I kind of wanted that, but I'm trying to control myself because I do have a lot of stamps. So this is a photo of both of my girls, and I kind of wanted to do like a ragged edge, but these stickers are like, it's like tissue but not really, so I didn't like how it turned out, so I just trim the edges with scissors to make it look like a banner. And I'm gonna layer it with a sticker, and then I'm gonna add the little phrase stickers that are from Freckle Fawn. Danny had an extra sheet and she sent it to me, and I was so excited because I use that whole sheet already, and I love little phrase stickers. So I took this super touristy photo. No one in my family is in there. I just thought that it looked so pretty, and the sky had so many clouds. It was kind of magical. It was a great day. And I'm gonna stamp using the same stamp set. I'm gonna stamp "Explored This Place." And at first I thought about stamping it in the photo, which I don't know, I kind of go back and forth about. I wish I did, but I kind of like that one. I don't know, I'm a perfectionist and I overthink everything, so it looks just fine. This washi tape is from the Glitter Girl washi tape pack, and I love that pack. It's super cute, and I don't know if you can see it really well. It has like a shine to it, like a slight holo vibe. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use a Tombow Extreme adhesive to glue that stubborn little heart. And then I'm going to use a Tumble Mini glue tape to add more adhesive to that sticker. The sticker is just fun. It has adhesive. It's just that when you put it on top of that faux leather, it's kind of comes off. So I just stapled it to it too. And this is probably my favorite photo. It's my daughter just looking at Cinderella like, oh my gosh, she's so magical. And honestly, growing up, I never went to Disney. I never really, I don't know, I wasn't like a big Disney person. So it was never a thing that I really like, oh my god, I have to go. But now that I got kids and I got to experience this moment with them, it was so sweet and made it so cool. And I just added that sticker because I feel like that's what she was thinking. Like, this is going to be amazing. And I love how she was looking at the Disney princesses and everything. It was so sweet. Oh, and my little one was dressed as Anna and my oldest as Elsa. And but we kind of dressed up most of the days. We did for Universal. They had some Incredibles shirt when we went to Hollywood Studios. Sorry. So we did dress up a little bit. And my little one, she had a rough start. Like the first day, like the day after, she got really sick. She got like a stomach bug and kept on throwing up, and it was so hard. So I'm glad that after that she had a good trip, because it would have been like, ugh, man, the worst. But it ended up being an amazing trip, so I'm glad that happened. And here I am overthinking the heck out of this thing, and I'm just gonna stamp right here with the Everyday Explorers stamps and just leave it at that. Sometimes you don't need anything else, as you know, my brain would tell me otherwise, but so on this one I'm gonna do a lot of stamping too. It's kind of a dark background. I hate the decorations on those castles. It's not pretty. I don't know what's up with this. Tinkerbell had the best one, and The Little Mermaid had a cool one too, but these princesses had that ugly background. The thing is that you can stamp over it, and there you can also see my daughter's face too. Like, the thing is, they don't really, on a regular day, I think they've watched Cinderella a few times, but it's not their favorite princess. It's not their go-to movie. So maybe it's the whole illusion that she's one of the OG princesses that made her so special, or the dress. I don't know. In my opinion, Tiana had the best dress, which you will see in a layout soon, because again, I need to work on this. And I mix a few stamps. I use again the Everyday Explorer, one from Feed Your Craft, and that one is from a book stamp set 2 that is from Feed Your Craft. And it looks much better in person than it looks in the video and pictures. I love the White Brilliance ink. If you're looking for a white ink, that is my go-to. That is actually like my third ink pad that I bought from that specific color and brand. And I'm going to have the items that I use, if I can find them, linked below. They're affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help my channel a lot. And this is my title card. I use one of the tag dies from the pack, and I'm going to use these thickers that are, their name Fitzgerald, and I love this font, especially for this album. I might keep it in the because I haven't put anything away. I might keep it in that pack. I tend to not put big, thicker packs with my kits, because I can always I have them organized by color, and I can always reach into my drawers and take them out. but this one is something else. It's really special. And I also used it for my Tinkerbell layout, and I have a whole playlist for my Disney album if you are interested in documenting Disney. I feel that I haven't used the usual Disney palette, which is the black, red, and yellow. That's because I haven't documented Hollywood Studios, which is where those colors are most present. But I think that everyone has this way of documenting Disney in a very different way. By the way, these alphas are also from the Glitter Girl collection, and I love them. They have like a super pretty shine holo vibe. And if you like also documenting Disney, you may want to check out I was gonna mess up the name Julia, and that's super easy. I think her name is, I know that in Instagram is Julia Makes Things. I love her albums and her Disney stuff, but it's a lot more grown up because it's just her and her husband. So it's different than having two little girls dressed around like Anna and Elsa. But it's really interesting what the choices that people make when documenting Disney. And I added again that stamp set. Honestly, it's the coolest stamp, one of the coolest stamp that I own. I reach for it so much. And I'm going to use this tag die cut in my Tombow twin tone dual tip marker. I'm going to use the fine tip to write down my journaling. And I love journaling color. However, when I print my tags and things with my matte photo paper, I don't use this felt tip markers because it kind of ruins it. It accumulates like a, I don't know, like a substance that it's on the matte photos. So I only use this when it's like plain cardstock. So since it's kind of a plain looking card, I wanted to decorate it a little bit. I'm going to use my trusty hearts. I'm pretty sure you guys, the ones that watch my videos all the time, are tired from the hearts, but I love them so much. And of course, I'm going to use a little word sticker. I'm going to add another one below because I was thinking that of adding one of the little things that Danny sent me, but none of them were quite working. I could have colored them with the alcohol markers, but I just realized that I went with a puffy sticker that is from Shimelle and a round tiny label. It's super simple, but I love how it turned out. And now I am going to use a lot of people use a glass mat for the fuse, but I honestly feel that if I use cardboard or something that you can like really stick the fuse's teeth to it, it's much better. But you know, personal choice. And also it's cheaper because once it gets like when it has too many marks, you can just switch it for another random envelope or something like that. So I already had like a little sequin mix, but I knew that I probably was gonna need more. So I had another one that it's a holiday. It's kind of, well, it is holiday. I made it for Project Live 2019. And I just made sure that I didn't include any of the little snowflakes that it has. And I have these are glitter for nails, technically. And my light is crazy. I don't know what's up with that today. And I tried to fix it. Sorry about that. So, those nail glitter things are so cool. And they had like some Mickeys. And I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to add Mickey heads. Probably not going to use that in the rest of my Project Life albums. So this is the moment. Again, so many pictures and colors. It's not well, it has a lot of embellishments if you kind of look at it close, but I kept it as simple as I could because, again, colors, sparkles, journaling, different princesses. Elena, sorry, Princess Elena, like, we barely knew who the heck you were. I know she has a dragon, right? I don't know, my daughters are not into Disney princesses a lot. My little one, my oldest one, used to be. I watched Brave and Frozen, the first one, so many times. But now she's 12 and she thinks she's all that. And, I love that. And I love how you can see the little nail glitters, the one that are like little circles and dots. And of course, my favorite picture of my little one, just looking at Cinderella. This is a picture inside the castle of Cinderella. And yesterday I was looking through Google Photos, and I found a whole bunch of other photos that I wanted to add. And this is design G. I loved using this page protector configuration for this kit because there are photos that, I don't know, 3x4 don't do justice. So I do love adding those 4x6 there. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more Disney and Project Life and all the regular Project Life things when we're stuck at home. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day. Bye.